Reu hatire ganja meria murimu wa corona no ethiete na mbere kurikana njira nene thutha wa andu angi 17 kuonekana murimu uyu thiini wa ithimire ithimitwo hindini ria mathaa 24 mahituku.
We want to make it clear today that contracting coronavirus is not a crime. All of us have a potential risk of contracting the disease.
Gatagate ka 17 ya 12 ni akuma kaunti ya Mombasa na watano ni akuma kaunti ya Nairobi. Riu thirikari ya kaunti ya Mombasa ikiendekithia andu mahingirwo micii kaimana kaunti-ini iyo, guku ministry ya ugima wa mwiri kiuga matuko meguka muingi wa kaunti ici ciere wahota gwikora atikaini ya kugathikirwo mikano na makiria.
We are suffering. The numbers that are growing in Mombasa are unbelievable. Sijawahi kuona numbers naenda kama hivi. Na msidanganywe, don't compare yourselves to Nairobi. Nairobi has 5 million population. We are 1.2. Ukipima kwa kulinganisha kimahesabu, we are at a higher percentage. Ni nini ambaye tuelewi? Yet some people can still argue. You know? Mimi ndo nimesema, I have said it from before and I'm going to repeat it again. It is high time we need to discuss lockdown.
15 of these were picked by our surveillance teams, and it is important to emphasize the fact that they were picked by our surveillance teams means that these people were living within our communities. And fellow Kenyans, the evidence that is coming in from our testing shows us that indeed local transmission has been established, and therefore the measures that we keep on reiterating on need to be followed.
Kiha kiria kiri kuo guku bururi-ini ni gukorwo ati aingi aria mari na murimu wa corona matironania ndariri cia murimu uyu, na ugwati ni ati ona matekuonania ndariri ici no maragwatia aria angi.
These have shown us that sometimes you may test positive for coronavirus depending on different time periods. Some people could test positive between 1 to 3 days of contracting the virus, and this is still an issue that is under surveillance in terms of scientists trying to study it to understand. Again, fellow Kenyans, what we are trying to emphasize is that this is a new disease and we are trying to understand it, and therefore the measures that we are putting in place are all with the aim of trying to reduce the risk of transmission.
Kurigana na mutafariri wa mihango thiini wa ministry ya ugima wa mwiri Dagitari Mercy Mwangangi, mukana wa kafyu na wa kwaga kuingira kana kuma kaunti-ini ithano guku bururi-ini ni ukoretwo kigia na umithio ona gutwika aria makoragwo ruhonge-ini rwa ukui matiri marona bata wa gwathikira maundu maria maheanitwo.
Also observed that some public service vehicles are defying our containment measures. And increasingly, we are sliding back to the old ways of conducting business. We would like to remind Kenyans that action shall be taken against anyone known to be flouting the current containment measures in place.
Maya mokete riri mundu ungi umwe gatagati ka 50 aria meriga gwithara kuma ceceni-ini ya kuiga andu keheri-ini ya KMTC guku Nairobi aikitio ngono ari mwena wa Litein kaunti-ini ya Kericho kuria gutwarwo thibitari na thimwo kana ari na murimu wa corona.
Clearly stated in my earlier statement that we have tried to improve the quarantine facilities in terms of the hygiene measures that were taken into place. If there's a quarantine facility that does not have masks or hand sanitizers, it is probably just for a few hours because we have masks and sanitizers in stock, and we'll ensure that we distribute them to all the quarantine sites. But regarding those who escape, the long arm of the law will always catch up with you. They managed to bypass these other restricted movement sites and went as far as Kericho. But again, the long arm of the law caught up with them. So even if you make an attempt to escape from the quarantine facility, remember, a big brother is watching and will soon catch up with you.
Ciuria nyingi ikoretwo ikiyumiria iguru rigie nyambo iria cigitwo na kurangirwo ni mobitha a borithi kundu gutiganite kuna andu no marauma na kuingira guku kaunti-ini ya Nairobi. Muhiano mundurume uyu uri unyitairwo kaunti-ini ya Kericho thutha wa gwithara kuma guku kaunti-ini ya Nairobi.